Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Hall. I will be your math teacher today. Just to kind of give you a rundown again on Google Classroom and how everything will be working, I'm going to go through a quick tutorial. I'm going to turn my camera off at this point so I can focus solely on Google Classroom. So when you log on to Google Classroom, right here it should say what period I have you and the name of your class. Notice right here is your Google Meet link. If you do not see the link there, that means it is not time for me to see you. The link will only be available during the half-hour increments that are allotted to your class, so please be on time. Down here is a very helpful resource. So this says upcoming, so notice this will tell you when you have assignments due. It will also tell you if you have assignments that are past due. This is a great resource to utilize. The stream is going to get congested with everything that I am posting. I think it's best if you just kind of avoid the stream altogether and go to the classwork area. I originally called this section links. I have changed it to resources. One resource that is very helpful, I think, is the Bell schedule. So notice here is your full schedule on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side is the early dismissal schedule. What I think is the most important is located at the bottom of the document, and that is your delayed opening schedule. We will follow that on Wednesdays or any day that we are meeting remotely. 2A is going to be disregarded. Notice it's only 2 minutes long. Disregard that. Flipgrid is a great resource. Like I said, I'm going to be using Flipgrid to either assign tests or to use notebook checks or just to kind of check in with you. So please play around with Flipgrid. Online calculator. So like I said, in class, you will not have access to calculators when you are home. So this is a great resource. Desmo Scientific Calculator would be your computation. So if you need to do 5 times 9, notice the answer is over here, right there on the 45, and you can change that as you need. Here you have exponents and whatnot, functions. Here's your sine, cosine, tangent, and so forth. Great resource. Calculator for graphing is also located there, and I'll tell you when you need to use that. The Remind app is completely optional. Again, I think it's a great resource so we can stay connected and communicate as to when things need to be done. You can always unsubscribe at any point. And then lastly, Edpuzzle. So Edpuzzle is going to be a website that I will use to assign videos to you. So notice this is what it will look like. So it's going to come through. I might change the heading here, but it'll somehow indicate to you it's the first set of notes that you need to do. My goal is that I will post the video and the accompanying notes with it. So here is the note. So let's say you forgot your packet at school or you lost your packet. If you have access to a printer, you can always go through and now reprint the notes, or feel free to handwrite the notes if you don't have a printer. Other than that, I will keep this organized here so that way you can toggle through the different chapters as we start to have lots of assignments in the classwork area. As far as that's kind of the tutorial on Google Classroom. I look forward to a great year, and I have high expectations for all of you, and I think you guys are going to do outstanding.